Your mind will always believe everything you tell it. Feed it faith, feed it truth, feed it with love. It's your responsibility to show the world how to treat you by the way in which you treat yourself. Trust yourself and the divine in you. Know that all things are working together to support you living your best life. You deserve to be happy, you deserve to be joyful, you deserve to be celebrated, but in order to do that, you must first fall madly in love with yourself. Your best opportunities are out on the skinny branch. You complete you, no one else completes you, others complement your completeness. Sometimes the best gifts come wrapped in sandpaper and thorns. Other people's perception of you ain't none of your business. Everything is a setup for your next best season. I'm not going to ask the world if I can be great. I'm going to give the world notice that I will be great. I have nothing to hide, I have nothing to protect, I have nothing to prove, I have nothing to defend. When you are no longer afraid, greatness can appear. I'm not dimming my light, I'm just gonna hand you some shades. If your light's too bright, let them put on some shades. Conviction and comfort don't live on the same block. All I'm doing is giving my dreams a chance. Never put a period where God put a comma. The distance between you and everything you need is your language. You are the designer of your destiny, you are the author of your story. While we may love each other and never stop loving each other, so often we stop showing each other love. Afraid of dying before the world sees who you really are. Don't be mad at people who can't handle your light. They can only love you to the capacity of which they love themselves. Your job is to fill your own cup so it overflows, then you can serve others joyfully from your saucer. Your thoughts and your feelings create your life. It will always be that way, guaranteed. Learn how to ask for what you need in a way that leaves your community feeling not only empowered to give you what you ask for, but inspired to do so. Don't make your community and loved ones guess what you need. It's not fair to them. Instead, proactively tell them in an uplifting way how to love you. I was willing to be my own rescuer at the risk of your approval. I now spend my time solely on those activities that only I can do, and even then only on those activities that have the highest return.